It's day 1, Tuesday, June 4th.
Yeah.
The very first day out. What do you think? Cool? So you have a lot to talk about already, huh?
Well, we're not going anything special today.
That's right. We're just going to Oklahoma City, right? Wish I would have gotten the air conditioner fixed. We're sweating. Tell them about the challenges.
So we have challenges for every day we're going to have one. And it's things like, Monday we have to,
Like we have to drive 10 miles, then make a left, then drive another 10 miles, then make a right, then drive another 10 miles, make a left, and stuff like that. So it just kind of is going to make this trip more interesting, right?
Yeah.
So, is that all we're going to talk about today?
Yep.
Are you excited about getting away and getting going?
Yep.
Day 1. Some of them may or may not be completely legal, but we'll see. So, ready? All right, that's our
I
day.
just want to show off my
She's got a
giant knife.
machete, and she's happy. She cannot wait to use this machete. It was her Christmas present. So, we're out of here. Hanging out, waiting on a thunderstorm to pass. In, where are we?
Texas.
Claude, Texas, which is just south of Amarillo. Every once in a while that wind just blows really hard and then it calms down. It's like it's almost over.
Yeah, but it's a storm.
Our topper does leak water. I know this for a fact. That's why we thought, well, why don't we just wait until the storm blows over, because there's no sense in sleeping on a wet mattress.
Today was very warm.
Today was very warm. Well, it's western Oklahoma and West Texas.
Yep.
But you were too busy listening to Harry Potter.
Yep. I brought Savannah's Walkman, and I'm listening to Harry Potter.
Cassette tapes. Can you believe that? Cassette tapes. She didn't know how to load them in there. I had to show her how to load them in there. She was like trying to flip them around upside down. She's like, I don't understand how these go in there. So she didn't know how to put a cassette tape in a cassette tape player. And then it's only got, those of you guys that remember, it only has fast forward. It doesn't have rewind. And she's like, well, how do I rewind it? I said, you got to pull the tape out, flip it over, and fast forward it. And that's how you rewind it. Right? But you got it figured out.
Yep.
You think the storm has just passed through and it's,
I don't know.
I'd say the wind, the gust fronts through. And we are going to, just as I say that.
Well, it's just lightning, Dad.
Yeah, it's just like. So anyway, I think we're going to go ahead and head that direction and see what we see. You talk this time.
Okay, I'll talk at some point.
At some point.
Yep.
Quit being a teenager and full of angst. So,
Yeah.
where are we?
We're in New Mexico.
We're at New Mexico.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
So we're in Clovis, New Mexico. We just crossed the Texas-New Mexico border. We're in Clovis, and we're gonna make some breakfast. Now we're gonna pick our challenge and hope that that works out today, and explore New Mexico. All right, let's do it. Challenge time. I'm gonna pick.
No, I'm
gonna
pick.
let you pick. I'm
Okay.
holding it. All right,
Okay.
do something good.
Okay.
Don't lose it. I guess that's the one. Is that the one?
No,
No?
it's not.
Pick it.
No. This one.
All right, what is it?
Okay, this is.
I knew we were gonna get that one. I knew we were gonna get that one.
You're really loud, Dad.
Okay, so go ahead and read it. You want to read it?
Okay, our challenge today is you must stay on dirt roads for 50 miles today, all while listening to nothing but Jason Aldean.
Are you excited about that?
Yeah, this is great.
Well,
At least we're not in the panhandle.
at least we're not in the panhandle, and we got to find some dirt roads now.
Hello.
Hello. All right. That's our first dirt road in New Mexico, and we're gonna play some Jason Aldean now. See ya. Sophie's first driving lesson. She's driving in New Mexico and she tears up the truck and we're sleeping here we were driving down the road in the middle of nowhere, New Mexico, and all of a sudden the truck died. And I started checking things, wouldn't start. Started checking things. I realized that it had blown an electronic fuel injection fuse. And every time I would put a new fuse in, it would blow. Come here, I'll show you what I found. We are so lucky. So I was chasing wires, and right underneath here is a screw in the side of the body, and it touched that little piece of wire right there, which just so happens to be the fuel injection fuse. I am so lucky that I found that, and lucky that that's all it was. So we're saved. Whew. All right, so let's get going. Let's put this back together and get going.